In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Conversion Objective in Reddit ads. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Reddit Ads Manager, and I'll share a few practical tips so you know what each choice means and why it matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for Reddit ads. From the results, click the official Reddit ads link to head to the platform. On the landing page, select Log In. Choose the sign-in method that's most convenient for you, whether that's a connected account or a one-time email link, and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Ads Manager dashboard. Here, click Create Campaign. Before you proceed, look to the lower left corner and switch to Advanced Create. This view gives you more control over your setup and makes it easier to align the campaign with measurable results. You'll now see the objective screen. Choose Conversions. This tells Reddit to optimize delivery toward people who are most likely to complete a key action on your site. For reliable reporting, make sure your tracking is in place ahead of time so conversions can be recorded accurately. Next, at the ad group level, select a specific conversion goal. Pick the event that best reflects success for you, for example, a completed purchase or a sign-up, so the system can learn from that signal and refine who sees your ads. For bidding, use automated bidding with the lowest cost option. This leverages Reddit's machine learning to find the most efficient opportunities to drive your chosen conversion, without you having to constantly adjust bids. It's a strong default when you're focused on outcomes. From the left sidebar, click into the ad. Give your ad a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to manage later, then choose your format: image, video, carousel, or freeform. Match the format to your message. Strong creative matters. Use a concise headline, an eye-catching visual, and copy that directly supports the conversion you want. Add the remaining details, including your call to action, your source parameters, and tracking. Keep your destination URL clean and add UTM parameters so you can attribute performance in your analytics. Double-check that the CTA aligns with your landing page and that your tracking settings match the conversion event you chose earlier. When everything looks good, click Review to confirm the setup, then Publish. Your conversion-focused Reddit campaign is live and ready to gather data you can optimize against.